The Big Tex 14 Ti is built for professionals who rely on compact equipment and need fast, reliable loading throughout the workday. A hydraulic tilt deck with a 12-degree angle provides smooth, ramp-free loading for equipment. The easy pedal locking mechanism allows operators to quickly lock the deck into place for secure transport. An 8-inch I-beam tongue and frame provide a strong foundation and improved towing stability. A diamond plate knife edge creates an easy transition for loading low-clearance equipment. The stationary front deck with a stop rail adds extra deck space while helping prevent equipment from rolling too far forward. Removable diamond plate fenders protect the tires and can be taken off easily when extra clearance is needed for wider equipment. A mega-sized lockable front toolbox with spare tire storage keeps chains, binders, and gear organized and protected. The adjustable Demco Easy Latch coupler automatically locks during hookup for faster, more secure connections. A 12,000-pound drop leg jack provides strong, stable support when hitching, unhitching, and loading the trailer. An 83-inch wide, 16-foot deck provides plenty of space for hauling a wide range of equipment. A 24-inch deck height creates a lower loading height for easier equipment access. A treated wood floor provides a durable surface built to handle repeated loading from heavy equipment. Rubrail, stake pockets, and 6 integrated D-rings provide multiple secure tie-down options for different types of loads. Integrated fork pockets allow operators to safely store forklift and skid steer forks without using deck space. 7,000-pound quick lubricating axles with electric brakes provide smooth towing and dependable stopping power. Multiple length options from 20 to 24 feet allow operators to choose the right trailer size for their equipment needs. The Big Tex 14 Ti tilt trailer combines smooth loading, durable construction, and proven Big Tex reliability. Big Tex Trailers, with you for the long haul.